back to my channel. I am so excited because I am filming on my new camera. We're gonna be doing decorations for Christmas in the basement today, and I am filming with my new Christmas present that I got early, so I'm really excited. So hopefully this kind of ups the content on my channel a little bit more. It's kind of weird to get used to. Like, I'm not used to having a viewfinder, so I keep wanting to look at myself. Anyways, my basement is a huge disaster. For those of you that don't know, I run a daycare in my home during the week, and it is now Saturday. I did not clean up from the daycare yesterday because I figured we'd do it today in our video. So we're gonna have a clean with me, and then we're gonna have a decorate with me. So I'm really excited, and I'm gonna show you what the basement looks like. You can probably see it a little bit in the back. Yeah. It's a mess. So I'll show you what we're working with here, and then we're gonna get right on into decorating. Holden's excited. Holden, are you excited? Yeah. Okay, so as we are stepping into my basement here, you can just see it is a disaster. So, like, these kids, they do not care. Like, look at this place, you guys. It is insane. So we're gonna have a lot of cleaning up to do, and also Holden's gonna probably be behind me messing things up as I clean them. So there's also that. But yeah, even back here, it is just a mess everywhere. But I'm really excited. We have a lot of fun decorations that are gonna come downstairs. So yeah, let's just get started.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance. Have a good time. Dance. All night long. We're gonna dance.
Okay, you guys, so I'm getting hot. I don't know why I decided to wear a sweater, but I am getting warm, so I'm probably gonna toss my hair up. Holden, no, see, he's already making a mess. As you can see, the basement is relatively clean now, so I'll show you it after, and then we're gonna just start setting up the tree. Okay, so everything is, for the most part, put away. We vacuumed. I still need to do a little bit of dusting. I'll probably just do that as I go. But we are gonna put the tree over here in this corner. I think that's gonna be the safest spot for it. So, already playing. You wanna put the Christmas tree right there?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good spot for it. I think it might be in the way when you and your friends are playing. Don't you think it might be in the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we'll put it over in that corner.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we set up the Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Good job. Oh, whoops. Oh, no. She fell down. Here, Mommy will try.
Has brought. There's a red and green parcel. The label reads Marcel. I wonder if it's what I thought. Oh, it's Christmas Day. Christmas Day. The best day of the year. I can't believe it's here. It's Christmas, Christmas Day. Like life was pulling my leg, the days gone snailing by, slower than ever before. Presented opportunity to work on my patience, but now the years passed and I don't have to wait no more. Have to wait no more. It's Christmas Day. Christmas Day. The best day of the year has come again, my dear. It's Christmas, Christmas Day.
Okay, you guys, so I am done with the Christmas decorating for my basement. I had a lot of decorations left over. I think I'm just going to keep them because you just never know how I'm going to end up rearranging my spaces. Maybe I'll have more spaces for decorations in the future. So I am going to keep a bunch. There are a few that I am going to get rid of as well. But I'm excited to show you what I ended up doing. Okay, so here is my finished tree. So this has all of our kind of special ornaments. I used to get an ornament every year for Christmas growing up, continuing that tradition on with Holden. So it has all of those ornaments on and just a bunch of ones that we just thought were cute. Next up here I have these little stockings, and we're going to fill the rest of that space up with some artwork with the daycare kids. So I'm really excited to do some Christmas artwork with them. And then down here, you guys, this is the cutest thing ever. It's a letters to Santa thing. And what you do is you open it up. Of course, I can't open it up now. And it has this little drop thing. So you put your letter to Santa in there, and then when you drop it and close it, the letter actually like pushes down and disappears. So then you can kind of say to your kids like, oh, Santa got the letter. And then here we have these cute little hanging elves and this adorable little snowman globe guy. And then lastly, we have Santa at his workshop. I need batteries in there, but he actually does work on his little toy there. Got this little teddy bear and some candles and a vase. Well, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me in this Christmas decoration video part 2. If you have not seen part 1, I will link it in the description box below where I did the upstairs. So yeah, I really enjoyed having you guys tag along with me as I decorated for Christmas, and I hope you guys gained some Christmas decorating inspiration as well through watching my video. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see